classic CNC Cosa 2 clutch. There's a VMC basket and a new so-called mass-free SIP superSPORT clutch. What is the difference in the function? It's a huge difference. If you just take the weight of the clutches, you cannot really compare it because there's a big difference. The classic PX clutch. When you pull the clutch, what is turning? If you think of that, this sits on the crankshaft and is not turning when you pull the clutch. What is turning? It is the basket and the linings, isn't it? Mass-free clutch. Look at it carefully. What is moving? Kind of just the inner parts. Not the sprocket, not the basket, not the linings. All the rest. It's the top plate. It's the ground plate, the circlip, and the end of the basket. This means less mass and closer to the center, where it's actually turning. If you pull the clutch, linings, basket, sprocket do not turn. Just the inner parts. And they are lighter and closer to the center than with the classic clutch. Less turning weight, more on the inside. More turning weight and more on the outside. Free clutch. What's the difference? Sprocket, gearcock not twistable because it is fixed on the clutch basket. It's a different system. What is moving here? It's not the sprocket, not the basket. It is base plate, inner the basket, circlip and top plate, and of course spring.
Ein Biest!
Sorry.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?